Hey guys, Mr. Mom 713 here. Welcome back to my kitchen. I got a question the other day about what is my pre-workout routine, and I wanted to share with you what I've been doing lately. So what I found is I tried this Wild Society Clear Whey Protein Isolate Rocket Pop flavor, which is, I mean, just look at it. Doesn't that look good? So I said, you know what, let me give this a shot. Maybe I can drink this with my pre-workout. Now my pre-workout lately has been Gorilla Mode, and this is the non-stim one. So I drink coffee, but I try to watch out how much caffeine I get each day. And so this one right here, this is non-stim. So it doesn't have any beta alanine. So this right here, it's real clean energy. A lot of times I'll drink a cup of coffee. As soon as I wake up in the morning, I'll drink a cup of coffee before I even have my pre-workout. And that's just, you know, if I have enough time. But I don't need extra, because a lot of times, a lot of these pre-workouts, they'll pack 200, 300 milligrams of caffeine in them. And I don't want that much caffeine in my pre-workout. So this is a stim-free one. However, what I did was I started mixing it with this. And so this right here is coming in at 20 grams of protein. So you can easily get protein before you go to the gym. But I didn't know how it would taste. And I said, well, let me give it a shot. It's, you know, it's clear whey protein. Let me try it out. And I'm very pleased with this. I mixed 1 scoop with my scoop of Gorilla Mode, and it's perfect. Now this does get a little foamy, and so you need to make sure you put enough water in your cup, but no bloat. It's real clean. So I drink this probably about 30 minutes before I start working out. And I don't feel full. I don't feel full of water. I'm not bloated or anything like that. And I know I'm getting my protein before. If you're a person that likes to eat before you go work out, then this is an easy way to get your protein before, and you won't feel like you have a huge meal. If I work out at 5 o'clock in the morning, then I usually get up around 4, and I'm not trying to make a meal at 4 a.m. So I need something quick and easy. And this right here, it's my first time trying it. It's actually really good. So I want to highly recommend Wild Society, and I've been very pleased with it. It's just some of the ideas I wanted to try to help you out. Make sure you have a plan. I always say, make sure you have a plan the night before. If you're gonna go to the gym in the morning, get your water ready, get your gym bag ready, get everything ready that you need. So as soon as you wake up, you're not searching for things in the kitchen. Right here, I always have my little pile of my waters right here. I got my electrolytes, I got my shaker, my gym bag is ready to go, so that when I wake up in the morning, I'm not searching around for stuff, because that can be an excuse to, oh great, now it's just too late. Now I guess I'm not just gonna be able to hit the gym today. And that's just unacceptable. And so we need to make sure we're preparing ourselves. So if I'm so hungry, I can't go to the gym, I'm just starving in the morning. We'll get you something like this. A lot of people work out fasted. I used to work out fasted all the time, never found a problem with it. Now I'm just more hungry in the morning. I'm like, well, I need to eat something, and it also helps you get to your protein goals. Give it a shot, try out a couple different pre-workouts, and whatever works for you. Some of you might feel great at the gym, but then you get home and you crash, or you're too tired, or it affects your sleep later on in the night. Plus, if you work out in the evening, you probably need a stim-free workout. You don't want to be banging down 200, 300 milligrams of caffeine before you go to bed. And you know, even if you can get to sleep, your sleep probably won't be optimal. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you have any ideas, any suggestions, any questions, and I'll keep making these videos just to help you out. It's Mr. Mom 713. I'm here to help you get and stay fit. Let's go.